Cricket?
What? We can't play cricket with a stone, Sammy. That'd be very dangerous. Besides, this is too flat to be anything like a ball. It's more like a skimming stone.
A skimming stone? What's that?
I'll show you. If you find a nice, round, flat stone like this one, you can make it bounce on the water. Like this.
Wow! How do you do that?
It's a bit like a frisbee, Maya. And when you throw, you give it a last little push with your finger to make it spin. Well, you've got to practice a wee bit, Maya. You can't expect to be as good as your old Dada straight away.
I think I held the record for the most skims, Dada.
Not for much longer, Mama Go. A new record.
Yes! I did it!
Very good, Maya. You're now officially a first-class stone skimmer.
Shall we skim some more? I could do this all day.
We should probably be getting home. It's a bit chilly for Sammy there.
Aww.
Oh, never mind. We'll come again. But for now, where are the car keys?
Have you lost them?
No, I left them by the bucket.
Skim.
Sammy, did you throw the car keys into the sea?
I'll call Terry Drive.
No, no need. They can't have gone far into the sea.
Hello, Terry Drive. Dada Go's lost the car keys. Again.
Ooh, it looks so cold.
It's fine. I'm swimming colder than this. It's only the ocean. How hard can it be to find some keys?
No car keys there, Dada Go. Dada Go is taking his time.
Have you seen my keys?
Oh, dear. Dada hasn't found the car keys.
It's no good. We'll never find them.
Never mind, Dada. Terry Drive is here now to help us.
Do you need a lift home again, Dada Go?
Oh, yes, please.
Oh, the car keys, Dada. They were here the whole time. Choo-choo.
Oh. Although I'm not sure this is what Dada Go had in mind when he said Sammy could have his friends over.
Danny, play. Why don't you play with some building blocks instead?
Oh no, Jamie May, what are you doing? Jamie made a mess. You go clean up. Vroom, 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 vroom. If only they'd stop making such a mess.
They will, one day, when they're all grown up. But that won't be today, I'm afraid.
Or maybe it could be. I've got an idea.
Earplugs?
Hey, everyone. Who'd like to play a really fun game? Jamie Make, what do you want to be when you grow up? Fly airplanes. What about you, Sammy? And Melissa? Train driver. Chug, chug. Sammy, be a digger. Danny Play, what about you?
It's okay if you don't know yet, Danny. It's good to keep your options open.
Well, right now we're going on a big adventure to the future, where you're all grown up.
I'm not sure they heard you, Mya Go.
I think they're happy doing what they're doing.
But they haven't even tried my game yet.
That's toddlers for you. I'll make some lunch.
Sammy, this is a real digger chair. Why don't you try it out? This is the control lever. Close your eyes. You're inside a real digger, scooping up rocks. Vroom, 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 vroom. Hold on tight. This is very heavy.
Emily Cher is helping Mya Go to unpack her bag.
I love your pajamas, Maya.
Thank you. I don't wear pajamas. I wear a nightdress. This one was my mama's when she was little. Ooh, it's very pretty.
I wore it on my first sleepover when I was a girl.
Did you bring a suitcase with you in your first sleepover?
Yes, I did. In fact, it looked just like your suitcase, Maya. And I brought my favourite teddy bear, Flopsy.
I didn't bring Panda with me, but he'll be okay for just one night.
I'm sure he's a very brave panda. It's dinner time. Who's feeling hungry?
I am. Me too.
Mya Go is having dinner with the Cher family, but something's a little bit different.
This is a big bowl just for me. That's the serving bowl, Maya. We all take a spoonful from each bowl. Oh, that's different to how my family do it. Our food is on one plate at the beginning of dinner.
Maya is enjoying sharing the food.
Oops, sorry.
No problem at all, Maya.
Thanks, Mama Cher.
It can take a bit of getting used to when things are different.
Now that dinner is finished, Mya Go and the Cher family are telling stories.
And with a whoosh, the hot air balloon lifted into the air, away from the crocodiles beneath.
Yay!
OK, time for bed, little ones.
Will we read a bedtime story?
That was the bedtime story, Maya?
Oh, in my house, we always read our stories in bed.
Oh, it's bedtime for everyone in the Cher house. And Emily Cher and Melissa Cher are already fast asleep when Mama Cher arrives to tuck them in.
Everything OK, Maya?
I wish I had my teddy panda. I mean, he's probably missing me very much.
I have an idea. Why don't we call Mum and Dad a go to see if Panda's OK? Hello.
Hi, Mama. I just wanted to make sure Panda isn't missing me too much. He might be very lonely on his own.
Hi, Maya. Oh, Panda is absolutely fine. Sammy is taking extra special care of him while you're on your sleepover.
Okay. Good night, Mama. Good night, Dada.
Well, how is Panda doing?
Sammy is taking extra special care of him.
Oh, wonderful. My teddy, Flopsy, needs some extra special looking after tonight. Do you think you can mind him for me?
Don't worry, Flopsy. I'll take extra special care of you. What's wrong, Sammy? Doggy Go. Oh, you missed Doggy Go? Yeah. Where's Doggy Go? Dada took him to the vet for his checkup. He'll be back soon. Why don't you play with us, Sammy? Doggy Go.
Oh dear, Sammy's really not happy.
We can't let Sammy be sad. What should we do? Can we do something fun for him? Something really exciting. Something that will make him forget all about Doggy Go at the vet. Could we put on a show for him? Not just any show. We can have a circus show. But how do we do that? I've never been to a circus. What's it like? Well, Dada Go brought me to a circus last week. They had this gigantic tent, and all the performers were inside.
Please take a seat inside.
And the person who runs the circus is called the Ringmaster. He introduced all the different acts.
Welcome to the Big Top Brothers Circus! Today we will amaze and enthrall! First on stage, put your hands together for the amazing Zumboni!
There were acrobats spinning around in the air. And there was someone called a mime who did a funny sort of show, pretending things were there when they weren't. And jugglers doing big tricks. And the clowns, they kept falling over. That sounds amazing. For our circus, I want to be the acrobat. Me too. We could perform together.
Well, I'll be the juggler.
And we could be clowns, Emily. I love clowns. What should I do?
You're perfect for the ringmaster.
That's a great idea, Tommy. Let's get the show on the road. Welcome to the Everyday Friends Big Top Circus. Prepare to be amazed. Huh? First on stage are the Everyday Clowns, Sophie Play and Emily Share. Huh? Whoa! Yay!
Oh, Sammy's looking a lot more cheery now.
Thank you, Everyday Clowns.
The night of the Sponge Cadets concert is here already. And it looks like they have a lot of fans in Everyday.
This is so exciting, Dada. All the other children are in bed, but I'm staying up late to rock out.
Yes, Maya. Although I don't know how much rocking out there'll really be. Everyone here is quite sensible, you know.
Not everyone.
Mama Go?
I thought you couldn't find a babysitter in time.
Well, I didn't want to miss Maya's first experience of a rock concert, so I got Grandpa to look after Sammy and got myself the very last ticket.
Yay!
We better get in there. I hear that rock bands always start on time.
It's so exciting. The band back together again. Are you a big fan, Maya?
Well, I don't know their songs very well, but I like rocking out. Will you be rocking out?
I'm a bit old for that.
Everyone is eager for the start of the concert.
Good evening, Everyday! Are you ready to rock? Are you ready to rock out?
What's this? It doesn't look like part of the show.
Folks, I'm sorry to tell you that our guitar player hurt himself trying to lift a television in his hotel room. And I guess that means we won't be playing tonight. Oh. Unless, do we have a guitar player in the audience?
Yes, my Dada knows all the chords to your songs because there are only 3.
Huh?
Well, come on up, Dada Go.
It looks like we'll have a concert after all.
1, 2, 3, 4. It's dynamite, dynamite, dynamite.
What's happening? Everyone's just nodding.
Yes, that's how grown-ups express themselves sometimes.
Is that rocking out?
Not really, no.
Can we rock out, Mama?
Why not?
It looks like everyone wants to rock out now. Maya might not know rock very well, but she knows how to express herself.
This is so exciting. I wish I was in the movies.
Quiet on set.
What's happening?
They're filming something. We have to be super quiet.
Action!
So you're going, Frank?
Yes, the sea calls to me, Estelle, but one day I'll return. Will you wait for me?
No.
Cut!
What's happened? Have they stopped?
For a minute, yes. The director says action to start and cut to stop.
Is it all finished then?
No, it looks like they're going to do it again.
Why?
Well, the director wants different versions of them talking to each other to see what works best.
Like a rehearsal for the school play?
Yes, a bit like that.
Action!
So you're going, Frank?
Yes, the sea calls to me, Estelle, but one day I'll return. Will you wait for me?
No.
Cut!
Looks like the director isn't happy. I wonder why.
This is the big moment in the movie, and it's not working. I need more.
We need more people.
In the story, Frank is abandoning Estelle and their daughter to go to sea. I want the audience in tears.
Everybody, get ready to cry.
Something's missing. But what? Oh, of course. This is brilliant. Brilliant.
Stop crying, everybody.
What's your name, sweetie?
Mya Go!
Okay, Mya Go. Do you want to be in a movie?
Me? Yes, please!
Fantastic. We'll find some clothes for you. All you have to do is walk down here with your mom, okay?
My mom?
Not that mom. This mom.
Hiya, honey. What do I do?
You're Frank and Estelle's daughter. When Frank is saying goodbye, he's going to sea, leaving for years, probably. How would you feel about that?
Not very happy.
Exactly.
I'm actually quite mad.
That's the spirit. So I want to see how mad you are. Ready?
Yes, let's go.
Another job in the movies is making costumes, which someone has done for Mya.
Quiet on set.
And it seems like she's ended up in the movie after all.
Action!
So, you're leaving, Frank?
Yes, the sea calls to me, Estelle. But one day, I'll return. Will you wait for me?
No.
Cut! That was brilliant!